Welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, everyone. Today we are solving another conceptual question from the UPSC Indian Statistical Service Examination 2026 Statistics Paper 2. And one thing I admire about the ISS examination is that it often combines the estimation theory with the probability distribution. And instead of asking you to simply calculate an estimator, UPSC checks whether you understand the relationship between the different estimation methods, such as the method of the moments and the maximum likelihood estimation. And today's question is from the exponential distribution, one of the most frequently tested distributions in the ISS. Okay, so by the end of this discussion, you will know a shortcut for identifying both the MLE and MME of the exponential parameter. Now, before solving the question, let us first recall the probability density function. For an exponential distribution with the parameter lambda, f of x, this is lambda into e to the power minus lambda x for x is greater than 0 and lambda, this is greater than 0. Okay. Now, one formula from this distribution should always stay in your memory, that e of x, this is 1 by lambda. Okay, so this single expectation formula is enough to derive both the methods of the moments estimator and also helps in deriving the MLE. Okay, so whenever you hear the exponential distribution, immediately remember these two formulas. E of x, this is 1 by lambda, and variance of x, this is 1 by lambda square. Okay, so these two formulas are repeatedly used in the estimation theory and the hypothesis testing. Now, the method of moments equates the sample moment to the population moment. The first sample moment is x bar, and the first population moment, this is E of x, this is 1 by lambda. So, equating them, x bar, this is 1 by lambda. Now, solve for lambda. This is 1 by x bar. Okay. So the method of the moments estimator is the reciprocal of the sample mean. Okay. So never confused like expectation of x with 1 by lambda with expectation of x is lambda. Okay, many students make this mistake and incorrectly choose like lambda cap equal to x bar. Okay. Now let's derive the MLE. The likelihood function. This is now simplify. Now take the logarithm. Now differentiate with respect to lambda. So set the derivative equal to 0. So hence we can say this is 1 by x bar. Okay. Thus the maximum likelihood estimator is also the reciprocal of the sample mean. Okay. So notice something elegant. Two completely different estimation techniques, method of moments and maximum likelihood lead to exactly the same estimator of the exponential distribution. So this is not true for every distribution, which is why the exponential distribution is so special. Okay. Now, do MLE and MME always coincide? No. For some distributors, they are identical, such as exponential, Poisson, Bernoulli. But for many distributions, such as the gamma or the beta distributions, the MLE and the MME are generally different. So, never assume they are always equal. Derive them or recall the specific result. Okay. Now come to our statements. Statement number 1. Statement number 1 says MLE and MME are 1 by X. Exactly, 1 by X bar. Exactly. So, this is correct. Statement number 2. This ignores the fact that expectation of X is 1 by lambda. So, definitely incorrect. And statement number 3. MLE and MME are unequal. Okay. So, incorrect. Now, what will be our correct answer? Option number A, only one. So, option number A is the right answer for this question. And this question checks whether you know the parameterization of the exponential distribution and can correctly apply both the method of moments and maximum likelihood estimation. Okay, so I hope now all the things are clear to you.